Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with a very amazing and very beautiful Christmas DIY craft. Once again, the place where you turn everyday waste into something wonderful and transform into a magic. So if you love creativity, sustainability and saving the planet, this channel is just for you. If you not subscribe our channel, so please must subscribe and stay with me till the end. Today we are going to create the amazing craft using simple waste items you already have at home, like recycled and wastage. So grab your glue gun, scissor and imagination. Let's get started. First up, we are making a multi-purpose desk organizer from plastic bottles. Sort by collecting 3 empty water bottles, cut them carefully about halfway from the bottom. Now use snabber or nail file to smooth out the rough edges. Felt craft cute flower keychain also very famous. If you like to use keychain, if you like to just cute felt craft with flowers. And now for something soft and colorful, you will need a small piece of felt fabric in 2 or 3 colors combination, scissor thread, needles and curing. Cut off the 5 flower metaphor from one of color of felt, then cut a small circle from another color for the flower center. Stitch or glue the pattern together in a circle and attach the centerpiece on top. If you're making a good flower in felt fabric, so now attach a small loop of ribbon at the back and saw glue gun. You can add buttons, beads or teeny embroidery for decoration. Waste material like buttons you can add also in it. It's a super easy, beginner friendly and make a perfect handmade gift. Plus you can use leftover felt. You can also use leftover felt from another project with zero waste. And that's today Christmas DIY craft. Now let's bring some light into your home with at the can lantern. Take a empty tin. Now you can arrange leftover fabric in felt and making some Christmas tree. Color combination is green and brown. For your wall you can try amazing and beautiful flowers in different shapes, different sizes, then combine together with glue gun. And now you can also make birds. It's very easy to make a birds in your leftover fabric and try a different shape of different birds attach into glue gun. And you can also use buttons, beads, laces. So your DIY project is looking wonderful. Now you can also place these all DIY projects in your walls for home decoration. You can use enter gate, hanging on the door. These all projects you can apply different areas in your home on your upcoming Christmas event. So we hope you like the video. If you like our video, so please must watch video till the end and must subscribe my channel. If you are new, so please must subscribe and support my channel for upcoming latest design and ideas. If you need some more beautiful projects crafting, so please visit our channel. There is lots of ideas, especially in Christmas event. Thanks for watching our channel. Please must share your comments. Your comments is, as you know, very valuable for us. We can work on it and update you our upcoming videos after your suggestions.